Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, how to fix mobile data issue on Redmi Note 14. So friends, first and foremost, you have to move on setting. After that, from here you can search for the reset. Then click on reset Wi-Fi and mobile network. After that, click on reset options and confirm your password, then reset it. Okay, this will fix your mobile data issue. And if it doesn't fix, then you can move on your mobile data, turn on and turn off, and click on data roaming. You can select it on always. Okay, after some few minutes, set daily data limit while roaming. You can turn off. Okay, or you can select for exceptional only. So friends, this is how you can fix your mobile data issue. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.